Hi there, my name is Kira Bradshaw, and I'm a 6-year member of the Fantastic Features 4-H Club in Franklin County. My project work in shooting sports has impacted my life and 4-H career by teaching me about leadership, responsibility, and patience. I'm so grateful to win this achievement award because I absolutely love my 4-H shooting sports projects and always put 110% effort into them. These are definitely my favorite projects, and I'm really proud of the work that I've done. I'm excited to continue doing shooting sports through the rest of my 4-H career and become an advisor after I graduate. I recently completed my 4-H certification as a junior leader in archery, and I'm so excited to be able to help kids with their archery projects this year and teach them all the same lessons that I learned when I was first starting out with 4-H.
My project Workaholics has impacted my life and my 4-H career in a ton of different ways. It has allowed me to spend a one-on-one time with my dad that is incredibly busy. It has increased my ability to speak with peers and other adults that I have absolutely no clue who they are. Because when I first started 4-H, I would talk to literally nobody. I was just kind of like my own little world and wouldn't talk to anybody, and it wasn't that fun. And then when I started talking to more people, it really became something I was really passionate about. It has also showed me that there are more types of success than winning a banner or a trophy or a ribbon, and that you can win trips and you can meet new people that have great impact over your life. And it has allowed the satisfaction of your hard work paying off, and that it really means a lot. And I'm so grateful to win the Swine Achievement Award because it really shows how much my hard work has paid off, and it allows me to have more opportunities.
Hi, my name is Kate Johnson, and I am a 9-year 4-H member from Fairfield County. It is an honor to have been selected as the 2023 Achievement Award winner for veterinary science. It is amazing to be recognized for the hard work I have poured into my veterinary science projects and animal projects over the years. My project work has impacted me by helping me find my passion in life. Through these projects and other animal projects I have taken, I have been able to work with and care for pets and livestock through good health, illness, and injuries. I currently run my own rabbitry and hatchery, as well as care for household pets and rescue animals. Thanks to these projects, I have reinforced my love for animals, completed field studies, and have shadowed my own veterinarian. I am looking forward to attending college to become a veterinarian with an exotic animals license. I am so grateful for winning this award, not only because it will bring more opportunities into my life, but also because it will help further my 4-H career. I look forward to attending the National 4-H Congress this fall. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Leighton Mullins from Wheelersburg, Ohio. My project work in woodworking began with this bluebird house in 2016. With the help of my dad and a great 4-H advisor, I moved on to 5 additional projects. A dog feeder for my basset hound in 2017, a garden bench for our patio in 2018, and in 2019, I chose a project that paid tribute to my love of fly fishing, a fly tying table. In 2020, a beehive for my mom's honeybees. With this project, I was selected as a Georgia Boot 4-H Trailblazer, one of 6 selected from across the United States. In 2022, I returned to my fly fishing interests to try some new techniques I had never tried before by building a carved trout side table. My 4-H interests go beyond woodworking. I also enjoy exhibiting breeding and market cattle. I've learned so much through 4-H that I've begun managing my own herd and marketing the beef for profit. Additionally, 4-H camp has become very important to me. From a nervous first-time camper to a present-day camp counselor, I have learned so many new skills and forged lifetime friendships. I'm so grateful to have the honor of winning the 4-H Achievement Award. This award is not just for me, but all those who have helped me along the way. My parents, my club advisor, my 4-H educator, and my fellow club members. This award is for all of those who have helped me grow in making the best better. This award will be a reminder to always turn around and help those who come after me. Thank you.